Hey everybody, these in-depth comparison videos can get pretty long, so I've broken this one out to show you guys just the demos of what these cameras are capable of. I've got the Arlo Ultra 2, the Arlo Pro 4, and the Arlo Essential. So we've got 1080p, 2K, and 4K. If you guys want to see the full-blown everything that you need to know about these cameras, I'm working on a in-depth comparison where I'm going to be answering so many questions that you guys might have, so be sure to check out that video. With that said, let's take a look at the demos of these cameras. All right, we are testing out all three of the Arlo cameras right now. I'm about 4 or 5 feet away from these cameras. I'm gonna go all the way back up to the gate for reference. That is about 35 feet away to show you guys what these cameras look like up close and far away. All right, next we're going to take a look at an evening shot, and then we'll take a look at some night shots with these cameras. All right, this is what the camera looks like in the evening. The camera looks like now without that bright, sunny, nice evening lighting out when it was bright and sunny out. Let's take a look back and see what these look like. From about 30 feet away, so you guys can get an idea of what the audio sounds like from that. Seeing these in the evening, let's take a look at how awesome these are with their spotlights individually are on these cameras with some night shots. All right, starting off with the Ultra 2. This is what it looks like with that spotlight turned on and the colored night vision. I gotta say, it's not the brightest out of other cameras that I've tested, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go back and you guys can see what it looks like. All right, now you see what it looks like. Let's take a look at the next camera. All right, so this is the Arlo Pro 4 that we're taking a look at right now. Spotlight seems about the same as the Ultra, but I'll take a walk and you guys can see what it looks like. All right, and that is what the Pro 4 looks like. Let's take a look now at the Essential camera. All right, and here we have the Arlo Essential camera. Spotlight seems about the same. We'll take a walk back and show you guys. All right, and there are the spotlights on all three of these cameras. Well, I hope those demos were helpful in helping you guys make a decision on which camera to pick up. If you want to hear my thoughts and answering so many questions on these cameras, be sure to check out the full in-depth video. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.